eléyìí tún gbẹnu tán o ó lékè ń kà ó kà màmá Dorcas Adeyinka ó ti jáde fún Bukky Jesse báyìí o ó ti di ọ̀rà for ọ̀rà ó yá ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wo fídíò yìí kájọ wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ kí ló ń fà gangan báwo lọ̀rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò ẹ máa bá mi like ẹ máa bá mi share kẹ́ máa comment ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀ tí subscribe ẹ bá mi tẹ subscribe button yín kẹ́ lè máa gbádùn àwọn videos wa all the time kò ná yín ní extra money kò ná yín ní extra data ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń like tẹ fi ń share tẹ fi ń comment ẹ ní fi gba lẹ́tà ìbànújẹ́ nǹkan ayọ̀ lẹ máa fọwọ́ yín ṣe.
Tó bá ti gbọ́rọ̀ yín lọ síbẹ̀ mo rò bóyá ó sì ń ṣe. I didn't know that she's done with the Justice for Mohbad campaign. I actually thought she was still doing justice for Mohbad, and I am seriously not interested in anything that has to do with justice for Mohbad. So that is why I have left her to be constituting nuisance on social media. Because the topic she was treating, Dorcas, I had no interest whatsoever in it. Now, she has upgraded from treating justice for Mohbad. Those of you that you enabled her, remember, the only reason why she posted and shared my nudity on social media is because she wanted to silence me when I was treating the case of Prophet Genesis. Dorcas being Dorcas, you all know that I do not give a freaking fuck about anybody on this social media. If you like, bring my oboe out. I will continue to talk. I didn't give in to her madness. I continued with my show. That nudity, when they brought it out, they actually called me and threatened me. I think I've played it before, right? I don't want to start going back to playing voice messages that I received, threats. Can you please stop talking about Bukky Jesse? Please don't address anything that has to do with Bukky Jesse so that she will not release that nudity, the one that was given to her by my ex. And I laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed and laughed. Do you know what I told him that day? Money, if you don't give, if tie bako voice message, ati video, ati gbogbo everything from Bukky Jesse, money won ni ṣe oríire lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. And when the guy, that's my ex, of course, Shola, when, he eventually got fed up of Bukky, okay, he said, Dorcas, he said, I am sorry, I did this because of jealousy, blah, blah, blah. Unfortunately, I cannot, change the clock now. Everything is done. But the only way we can face this is if you can keep quiet for Bukky Jesse. Money Bukky Jesse ma shofo. Tina. Olórí burúkú aláyé bàjẹ́ ìyá olè. Money láyé. Bukky Jesse is too what? Money Bukky Jesse is too small. To do what? To keep me quiet. And I went on and I continued with my show. Now, after that, she started treating all this Mohbad case, blah, blah, blah. Mohbad case, ikonse case tí mo wà interested in. So, mo kàn pé, only Mohbad ló ń treat me, were interested. Now, when she started treating Mohbad case, ó fi grow wings. Because those of you that, you were on that justice for Mohbad, you supported her financially, Bukky Jesse ko jamon koko lórí social media as far as somebody like us is concerned. Okay, so those of you that enable te fún lágbára during the Mohbad case, o ma bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fi agbára yẹn, o ma fi nà yín lẹ́gba from now on. Now, ó ti ṣe case Mohbad tán, ó ti upgrade sí kó wá máa bá ayé àwọn lọ́balọ́ba níjòyè, kó sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn anyhow, kó rí a business woman that is doing well, kó sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn, kó ṣe kíni, kó tójọ́, kó rúgbá, kó ṣe kòkò bàbá ìsásùn. Mo máa mú tó ní kálukú fún lẹ́yẹ kankan. Mo máa sọ̀rọ̀ Sister Farida, má dẹ̀ sọ ti Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ tí mo bá wá sọ̀rọ̀ tán o, anybody tó bá feel like pé òun fẹ́ clear ara ẹ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tèmi bá sọ ẹ̀ ó lè pè wọlé, no problem. I am not friend to any of the people on the screen. I do not have personal relationship with the two of them. I am going to treat it based on the evidence that I have and of course what I have been seeing online. Now, if Bukky Jesse, if you are one of Bukky Jesse's victims, if she staged any show for you on Facebook, look, when you are watching shows on Facebook and you can see their viewers going up, 1,000, 5,000 is watching, 2,000 is watching, Emma for fun. Sometimes woman ba won fake views. You know what I mean by fake views? When they are treating your case, most especially if it is a case, okay, maybe somebody that hates you went ahead and give your case to somebody like Bukky Jesse. Bukky Jesse wants to deal with that case. What they will then do is, once she's treating that case, they will go on her platform, fake viewers, just to make her feel important that, oh yeah, do you know how many people are watching you? Oh, there are so plenty. Loriro, it is all fake. When people have organic views, you will know. Whether they are talking about anything fracas or no fracas, the views will remain the same. So don't be fooled by the nonsense numbers of people that are watching Bukky Jesse. It does not shake any ko hold the water kokonibi kokon. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó lọ máa move yín pé ó wá important ó jẹ́ kan nínú àwọn kíní kan mo gbọ́ tó lórí burúkú ọmọ sọ pé òun jẹ́ kan nínú àwọn bloggers tó ń sọ the truth lórí Facebook. Those of you that you don't know Bukky Jesse happens to be olórí burúkú ọmọ òfò aláyé bàjẹ́ tó kọ orúkọ 21 people sínú paper tó ní kan lọ pa wọ́n dànù. Now, tí Bukky Jesse tó bá gbé ẹ lọ sórí platform ẹ̀, if Bukky Jesse blogs you on her platform and she's telling lies about you and you wish to clear yourself or you wish to share the truth about anything that she's sharing about you on her platform, contact me. My phone number +44 79 610 11 814. I repeat, +44 79 610 11814. So anytime Bukky Jesse is bullying you and you want to clear yourself, contact me. Okay, so this is Àṣàbí Olóríṣà on the left. Okay, she's the one wearing green. In pink, that is House of Farida. You know, she's into skincare products. She's the one wearing pink. Now, I am going to start with the Oye, then we move on to the NAFDAC issue. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ olóyè, gbogbo nǹkan tí Bukky Jesse sọ fún yín pátápátá lórí irọ́ ni. When Bukky Jesse is talking, she speaks out of bitterness because tẹ́ bá wò, anybody tó bá ṣe kíni, tó bá wo Bukky for real, ẹ rí i pé ẹnìkan tí ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́. Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́, what did I say before? Ṣàṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ kọ́ ni mo sọ ni, kí ni mo sọ tẹ́lẹ̀? Oh, ṣé mo ní olóríṣà? Sorry. In green is Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́. Sorry, olóríṣà báwo. Àṣàbí olóríṣà báwo. No, sorry, that's an error. Sorry about that. Ẹ má bínú, Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ló wà ní tó wọ green yẹn. Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́, ombo shege. Òun ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Sorry. Now, tẹ́ bá wo Bukky Jesse, when you look at her body structure, her physique look, her teeth, eyín ẹ̀ tó ti ṣe gàtà, and you look at the people that she's always attacking, the people that she wants to destroy, ẹ rí wípé kò sí kankan nínú wọn tó tó. Ẹ rí wípé, okay, now let us do this. Let us do it like this. Hold on. ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo àwọn méjèèjì tó wà lórí screen kẹ́ ẹ wá wo Bukky Jesse ẹ wo ojú ẹ wo bó ṣe ugly ẹ wo báyẹ̀ ṣe bàjẹ́ ẹ wo bó ṣe ṣòfò bó ṣe ṣorí burúkú nínú ayé ẹ wo bí tiẹ̀ ṣe ta. The only thing that brought her into limelight kò ju okùn ẹran tó fi ń so ọyàn yìí lọ. Ẹ rí wípé àwọn méjèèjì tó wà lórí screen yìí ẹ rí pé ayọ̀ ìdùnnú ó wà nínú ayé wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ ẹ bá wo Bukky Jesse, she's full of bitterness. Ọmọ yọ lọ́ọ̀kan eyín la kọ́kọ́ rí olórí burúkú ọmọge Bukky Jesse. Olórí burúkú ẹ̀ bó ṣe wà yìí títí ẹ ti bàjẹ́ tó ti ṣòfò nínú ayé. Ẹsẹ̀ tí bàbá ẹ̀ gbé wáyé òun náà lòun náà ṣe kíni òun lòun náà ń tẹ̀lé. Ayé Bukky Jesse ti bàjẹ́. Ó ní total complete low self-esteem. Ìkà ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ olórí burúkú ọmọ ni. That is why she will always go after people that are successful. Like I said, we're going to start with the oyè. Lótìtọ́, Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ. Ó yẹ kó gba oyè. Ní Ẹ̀gbá Aláké. I think that's what it is called, right? I believe the same day tí Emmanuel Rọ́pò tóun náà gba oyè títí tiẹ̀. Now, some people ganged up together. And this is why ayé yín ẹ̀yin kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ pera yín lọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ̀yin kọ̀ọ̀kan tínú yín tí kò kí ń dùn nítorí pé kíni tẹ́ bá ti rí ẹlòmíì tó bá ń ṣe rere nínú ayé. Ẹ máa ṣe kíni inú yín máa dùn ẹ máa jó àzóńtò ẹ fẹ́ bà ayé àwọn tó bá ṣe kíni ẹ fẹ́ bà ayé àwọn tó bá jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín jẹ́. Àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan kóra wọn jọ. After ìgbà tán ti ṣe kíni tán ti ṣe lẹ́tà tán ti ṣe wókè pé they want to give Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ ní oyè. Wọ́n wá kó videos. You know Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ, she's a business woman. Ó ń ta àwọn kíní kayamata. Ó máa ń ta àwọn kíní dídò gbogbo àwọn all those stuff. Now, as a business woman, okay, she has her own business strategy, okay? She has a way of advertising her goods in order for her to attract customers. Tí Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ bá mú dildo dání, ó lè ní kó fi oil pa kó ní ẹ wo kóì. Kò sóko kan tẹ́nìyàn lè dó mọ́kó just because, you know, she's promoting her business. Ra kayamata kó fi do anybody dànù. Kò sí nǹkan tí kayamata ò lè ṣe. It is all business strategy. Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ, ó ní ọkọ títí adé orí ẹ̀. Kò gba ọkọ ọlọ́kọ, kò dóko olóko, kò bá yá aláyé jẹ́. All she used to do in her videos is to advertise a product. The way she chose to advertise her product was used against her when she wanted to receive this, I think is it called Omoge or something like that. I can't remember the title ton fẹ́ fún Àṣàbí. I can't remember the title ton fẹ́ fún Àṣàbí. Mi ò rántí title yẹn. Bóyá Omoge or something or Omoge or whatever. I don't know. If anybody knows the title, you can help me to type it there. So when she started advertising online that, oh yes, you know, Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ pé òun máa ṣe kíni, òun máa receive chieftaincy title, òun máa ṣe kíni, òun máa become so. And you know, ibi tó ti fẹ́ jẹ oyè yẹn kò ń ṣe bí kékeré, ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn àgbà ọba ni. Aláké ò kì í ṣe ọba kékeré. Tó yé yín, àwọn ọba tó ga nínú ayé ni. I don't want to believe this because Moroge of Egbala. Okay, Moroge. I don't want to believe this because there is this speculation going on online that it has to do with Emmanuel Rọ́pò, blah, blah, blah. Anything I don't have evidence, confirmed evidence for, that I cannot defend, okay, I will not be putting my mouth into, because anything you say, you must be able to defend it. And I do not defame people on my platform. So I'm not going to say, oh yes, because I heard them on TikTok or whatever singing, it has to do with Emmanuel Rocco and one other person called Ewa or something like that. I wouldn't want to do that. Now, nígbà tán ti gbọ́ pé ó fẹ́ gba oyè yẹn, wọ́n wá mú gbogbo fídíò ibi tí Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ tó ti máa ń ṣe àwọn advert ọjà ẹ̀ tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀, in a sexy way, just, she says some things just to attract customers and, of course, to get client attention. It's not as if it is something that she says behind closed door. It's not something that you will say, okay, boya voice here leak or boya o ṣe gbá o ṣàwo. Ìgbà tán ti gbọ́ pé ó fẹ́ gba oyè yẹn, àwọn kan wá gbé lọ sí palace. Ẹni tẹ́ fẹ́ fún lóyè yìí, ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó máa ń sọ pé kí àwọn ọkọ ọlọ́kọ, kíyàwó oníyàwó kó ṣe pẹ̀lú ọkọ ọlọ́kọ. Ẹ gbọ́ ìgbà tó sọ níbí, ẹ wo fídíò yìí, ẹ wo bó ṣe ń fokó ṣeré. Eléyìí máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó máa dójú ti ní lẹ́gbàá ìgbà kan àwo kan, ìkòkò bàbá sásùn. Nobody, kò sí anybody tó gba oyè or tó sọ pé wọn ò ní fi Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ jẹ oyè. Now, those videos tí wọ́n gbé lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ lọ́balọ́ba tí àwọn councils tí wọ́n dẹ̀ pé Àṣàbí fún interview pé máa bọ̀ ń gbọ́, can you explain this, can you explain this? They want to check to make sure that okay, all right, nǹkan tí Àṣàbí ń ṣe nínú àwọn videos yẹn, nǹkan tó ń ṣe nínú videos yẹn ó jẹ́ òtítọ́ lótìtọ́, kò ń ṣe wípé the way tán ṣe wá paint ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ọba. Do you remember when they did it to me? And this is why I will forever appreciate àwọn ọba tí mo joyè lọ́wọ́ wọn. You know why? Because mo rántí ìgbà tán ṣe fún mi. Àwọn ọba ọ̀dọ̀ mi ní pé kí ló kan àwọn pẹ̀lú gbogbo yẹn. Ìkan nínú àwọn ọba ọ̀dọ̀ mi, ó sọ fún wọn wípé and so, ó ní ṣé kí ni, ó ní ṣé kò ń ṣe ọyàn ló wà lọ ní àyà wọn, ṣé wọn ò rọ́yàn rí ní. Wọ́n ṣe débi pé wọ́n tún sẹ́ǹdì ọyàn mi sí ọba. Níbi tí ayé àwọn people tó máa ń ṣe ìkà fọ́mọ làkejì táyé wọn bàjẹ́ dé. Àwọn ọba tèmi sọ pé kí ni káwọn ṣe pẹ̀lú yẹn? Ipe as a matter of fact, irú ìwọ tó gbélé wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn, ó yẹ káwọn ṣe kíni, ó yẹ kí àwọn ṣe kíni, káwọn fi èpè ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ. Hello? Káwọn ṣe kíni, kí àwọn fi èpè ránṣẹ́ sí ẹ, káwọn fi èpè ránṣẹ́ sí ṣẹ̀dá ẹ pé why would you even send something like this to a king? Tí ò bá ń ṣe pé ní èpè ní ẹ. So what they basically did for Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ is this. They postponed the oyè tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún. Now, kíni ẹ̀gbá Lisa B or something like that, tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe, was it yesterday? I think they do it once in a year or something, and it is during that no man fún àwọn ènìyàn lóyè, sorry. No man fún àwọn ènìyàn lóyè. So it is possible kó jẹ́ wípé Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ might not be able, if she still wants it, that is if she decides to go ahead pé òun tiẹ̀ sì fẹ́ oyè yẹn, because ó lè decide fúnra rẹ̀ pé òun ò fẹ́ mọ́. Tó bá decide pé òun sì fẹ́ oyè yẹn, mo wà sure pé tó bá di next celebration of Kini Lisa bí tó máa ń ṣe yẹn, I'm sure they will give her that title. Now, when they presented the videos, tó ń ṣe meeting, ìgbà yẹn náà wá send letter yìí sí Àṣàbí, òun lélẹ́yìí. Mo ń bọ̀, mo fẹ́ gbé síbi. Letter yẹn lélẹ́yìí. Wọ́n wá send letter yìí sí pé right. Conferment of Egba traditional chieftaincy title. Wọ́n ní kindly refer to my letter with the reference number 21st of February 2025. I'm not too sure if they wanted to write 25 or 26. I'm sure they wanted to write 2026. I'm sure that is an error. On the conferment of the title of Morogi Egba, the conferment of which was scheduled to hold on Saturday the 21st of March, which is Saturday to Lotoyin. It is in this connection that I write to notify you of postponement of your installation as Morogi until further notice. You will be appraised of further development on this matter. Thank you. Òun lẹ ti rí yẹn. Lẹ́tà tí wọ́n gbé lọ. Àwọn videos tí wọ́n gbé lọ tán lọ present. Now, there is a video going around, okay? There is a video going around. Wípé okay pé ipe Emmanuel rọ́pò this, Emmanuel rọ́pò that, ipe ó sọ pé pé báwo la Ṣàbí Ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ṣe máa bọ́ òun joyè papọ̀ lọ́jọ́ kan náà. Báwo la irú kíni yẹn òun àti kíní kan ẹwà kan pé wọ́n jọ ń sọ pé kíní kan. I cannot confirm that, so I don't know if bóyá Emmanuel rọ́pò tó bá ṣe yẹn, tó bá pò ṣe yẹn, oh well, God will judge everybody. Now, wọ́n náà postpone ẹ̀. Wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n gba oyè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ or wípé wọ́n ò ní fún ní oyè yẹn. Wọ́n kọ sínú lẹ́tà. It is what we see nínú lẹ́tà. Òun là á máa ṣe kíni? Òun là wá máa sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. Jọ mí lójú ọ̀nà jókòó, aṣòṣì má mọ̀. Àwọn olórí burúkú, oní justice for Mohbad sọnù. Jọ̀ọ́, ó máa ṣe ẹ́ láǹfààní lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó bá lè kórí burúkú ẹ kúrò ńbí. Ṣé o gbọ́? Àbó dáhùn tó bá lè kó orí burúkú rẹ kúrò ńbí, because mo wà pé eyín ikú, eyín òfò, eyín jèsè, olórí burúkú ọmọ ọ̀bànújẹ́, ọmọ tó ń fi ń ṣépè fọmọ, ọmọ òṣì. Mo wà sure pé wọ́n ló wà under that ID. Ṣé o lè kó ṣì kúrò ńbí? Olórí burúkú ọmọ àlè. O kó ṣì kúrò. O kó ṣì kúrò. Mo ti bá olórí burúkú ẹ̀, mo ti ṣe kíni? Mo ti ṣá aláyé bàjẹ́ ẹ̀ sí blocking. Olùṣe ọmọ òfò. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé lè bá mi share show yìí. Can you help me to share this show, please? Help me to share this show. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi share. I don't think wípé wọ́n report to Ashabi or not Ashabi. I don't think it has to do with Madam Farida, which I don't think anybody said that it has to do with her. Issue Madam Farida tí olórí burúkú eyín ikú jèsè tó treat ó yàtọ̀. À ń bọ̀ lórí yẹn, mo ṣì ń treat tó yìí lọ́wọ́. Can you help me to share this show, please? Help me to share this show. Ẹ bá mi share. Now, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ lọ report to Àṣàbí Ọlọ́ṣẹ́. Ṣé wọ́n fi Àṣàbí Ọlọ́ṣẹ́ wọ́n fi joyè, wọ́n fi joyè? Ṣó fẹ́ yọ owó kúrò nínú àkáǹtì ẹ̀ ni? Àbí ẹni pé kó kúrò láyé? Ìyẹn ò ní kó kúrò láyé. Ìyẹn ò ní kó ṣe kíni, kò ní kó kúrò láyé. I also want you to know, Àṣàbí Ọlọ́ṣẹ́, she is very close to Fọlá Tinubu. Gbogbo àwọn ẹni bí àwọn ẹni ìkà tó wà lórí social media tó ní issue pẹ̀lú Fọlá Tinubu àti àwọn tí Fọlá bá associate pẹ̀lú, àwọn náà lè wà nínú àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ẹbí yẹn, àwọn tó máa ń fojoojúmọ́ sunkún òṣìkiri lórí media. Kò wá impossible. So ó joyè yẹn o, kò joyè yẹn o. I don't think that he's going to take anything out of her. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ tẹ́ máa ń envy ara yín. ẹ̀yin ẹni ìkà ẹni bí tẹ́ ẹ máa envy ara yín, ẹ dáwọ́ òṣì, ìranù àti rádaràda ẹ dá dúró. So lórí Tóyè, ìyẹn kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. Àṣàbí ti gba oyè ní other places. She is the olóyè kan tó níná now. She has other titles. Àṣàbí Ọlọ́ṣẹ́ has other titles. Other titles. She has other titles. I think she's the Yeye Oge of somewhere. She's the Yeye Oge of somewhere. I don't know where. Ó dà pé ó ti jẹ́ Yeye Oge of ibì kan náà rí. Can somebody help me with the other title she has? She's the Yeye Oge of ibì kan. Ìyálóde Ìtẹ̀sí, Ìyálóde, God bless you. Mo ṣá mọ̀ pé mo ti rí one crown lórí arábìnrin yẹn rí. Ṣé nítorí pé ó ra mọ́tò tuntun lẹ ṣe fẹ́ pààyàn ara yín? Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé tí ẹ̀yin obìnrin tẹ́ bá ti róbìnrin ẹgbẹ́ yín tó ń ṣe rere nínú ayé, táyé ẹ̀ dáa, gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa mú wálẹ̀, tẹ́ ṣe máa bà tiẹ̀ jẹ́, tí kò fi ní níyì, títí tí ẹ ṣe gbúdọ̀ ta, kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé òun lẹ máa ń dáwọ́lé ná? Ayé yín ṣe wá bàjẹ́ báyìí. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ yà kàlẹ́ níyàn? Kí ló dé tí yín tàbí gúgúrú yíyan? Ẹ dáwọ́ kàdúró. Ọlọ́run ọba ò fẹ́ kú ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti ń róbìnrin ẹgbẹ́ yín tó ń ṣe dáradára nínú ayé, join them to ṣe dáradára. Don't join them to ṣe kìnìbáyé jẹ́ bí olórí burúkú ọmọge Bukky Jesse aláyébàjẹ́ Bukky títí ẹ ti ta tó ti ṣòfò nínú ayé. Bukky Jesse kò sí nínú àwọn obìnrin tó yẹ kó máa sọ̀rọ̀ obìnrin ẹgbẹ́. The only thing that Bukky Jesse is on social media for is to destroy people that are doing well. And when you see Bukky Jesse constituting nuisance, they're actually paying her to do what she's doing. There are some set of people tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti láwọn bloggers òṣì. Imagine kí Bukky Jesse kó máa sọ pé wọ́n sọ pé ẹ má dá wèrè lóhùn o. Kò sẹ́nibọ́dì kankan tó fi fídíò Bukky Jesse tó fi hàn àwọn ọba o. Gbogbo eléyìí tó lórí burúkú ọmọ ń sọ fún yín wípé wọ́n wá gbé fídíò òun ló wá hàdì sí bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe kíni, bí ayé ọ̀tá Àṣàbí Ọlọ́ṣẹ́ bó ṣe bàjẹ́. Ẹ má dó lórí burúkú lóhùn o. Olórí burúkú yẹn ṣe kíni, ó ń fi yẹn ṣe kíni, ó fi ń make ara ẹ̀ feel important ní. Olórí burúkú ọmọ ní o. Kò sẹ́nibọ́dì tó mọ̀ nínú ayé. Ṣerú Bukky Jesse tó ń ba ayé àwọn ọba tó kù jẹ́, mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣe fọ́ba Elégùṣì ni. Ṣóun yẹn ni olórí burúkú ẹ̀ ni wọ́n máa wá sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá sọ, olórí burúkú tó jẹ́ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn wọn bí ìyá ńlá bàbá ẹ̀ Gilbert Jesse dá kó gba ọ̀nà Nàìjíríà lọ. Olórí burúkú ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé òun ò ṣe kíni, òun ò ní Nàìjíríà lọ ever. So she will always constitute nuisance online because Nigeria ó ti di kíni, ó ti dèwọ̀ fún bó ṣe wà yẹn. It's a no-go area. So tẹ́ bá rí tó ń ba ayé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ tó ń ṣe, ó ti mọ̀ pé ìlú òyìnbó lòun máa ṣe kíni, lòun máa kú dànù sí. Ó kàn máa wá sí online, á mú eyín gàtàgàtà eyín òfò yẹn, á ká yẹn sókè, ó máa fi hype ara ẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ pátá irọ́ ni, kò sí nǹkan kan tó jó títọ́ níbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n mú yẹn sí ẹ̀gbẹ́. Bukky Jesse then went on further. She spoke about NAFDAC or no NAFDAC, and she mentioned Madam Farida's name in pink. And Madam Farida came out and replied Bukky Jesse, and I was shocked by that. Now, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ NAFDAC kò ṣe NAFDAC gẹ́gẹ́ báwa ṣe gbọ́ sí, torí àwa náà máa ń gbọ́ràn. Ó kàn jẹ́ pé ó lè má jẹ́ pé gbogbo ìgbà làwa need láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ tá bá gbọ́. Yes, mo ti rí fídíò sister bó ṣe ń lọ, mo ti rí. Or pé ká sọ̀rọ̀ sí lórí. Ṣé understand? Now, ó ní nínú àwọn nǹkan tó ń lọ sọ ní palace, òun ni wípé wọ́n ní sister Farida, òun náà wà nínú àwọn tó dá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, wípé as a matter of fact, Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ń sọ káàkiri pé sister Farida òun ló ṣe kíni, àwọn náà rìpọ́ọ̀tù òun fún NAFDAC tí NAFDAC fi gbé Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ lọ́jọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀dì ẹ̀. Ó wá jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo fi wà so shocked and surprised that when Bukky Jesse said that, sister Farida náà wá gbọ́rọ̀ sí Bukky Jesse tó ti ṣòfò nínú ayé lẹ́nu. Àwọn náà wá tẹ live chat, wọ́n wá ń ṣe show, wọ́n wá explain ní ara wọn fọ́mọ òfò tí ò jámọ́ kankan nínú ayé. Ṣé Bukky Jesse ṣó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń parọ́ ni? Sister Farida, ṣé olórí burúkú Bukky Jesse ṣó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣe show fún ẹ̀yin kan tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó máa sọ nípa yín lórí irọ́ ni? Bukky Jesse is somebody that doesn't have the mind of her own. Okay? Everything that she's doing it because of the other Digbolugi tó máa ń ṣeré lórí Facebook. Ó believe pé tóun bá sọ nǹkan in favor of that one too will come out on Facebook. Òun náà máa fọba lé. Ó rí bí ìgbà tán jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ papọ̀ ni. So it's not as if she has a mind of her own. Ẹni tó ti ní kán lọ pààyàn 23 rí. It's not as if anything tó bá ṣe ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbà bí ìgbà ọtí. Ìgbà tí wọ́n ń bully yín lórí Facebook ní iwájú ẹ̀yìn ní gbogbo everywhere gan, bọ́ síta kẹ́ ẹ dá wọn lóhùn. Láwọn tó ń drag yín lójú méjèèjì tó ń ṣe ṣe show kẹ́ ẹ dá wọn lóhùn. Why tó wá jẹ́ Bukky Jesse of all people ló máa wá fẹ́ forí tí yín gbá Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ tó máa parọ́ online pé Àṣàbí ń sọ kiri pé kíní. Meanwhile, you have already explained in your video that ní ìgbà tọ́rọ̀ Àṣàbí ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ̀yin gan lẹ ṣe kíni, ẹ̀yin gan wà nínú àwọn tó dúró fún. Kí ló dé tẹ́ wá ṣe rí Bukky Jesse as aṣièrè ẹ̀dá olórí burúkú ọmọ tó ti ṣòfò nínú ayé? From nǹkan tí mo wá gbọ́, mi ò mọ̀ bóyá òtítọ́ ni. And like I said, I don't, olórí burúkú wo ló tẹ́rẹ́ dẹ̀dì náà nínú show tí mò ń ṣe? Wèrè wo ló tẹ́rẹ́ dẹ̀dì náà jẹ́ kí n wò. Lórí peaceful show tó dùn tó báyìí, ó tún wá tẹ́rẹ́ dẹ̀dì, ṣé o fẹ́ ṣòfò ni? Bukky, olórí burúkú, eyín burúkú, eyín já mi lóko jẹ, eyín gbé mi ní ìdọ̀ òbò lọ. Ṣé òun ṣèwọ ló tẹ́rẹ́ dẹ̀dì? Ó dà pé ẹni yẹn ti change ẹ̀, ó bẹ́tà. Má wá fẹ́ yín ẹ̀ já mi lóbò jẹ́ ń bi olórí burúkú ọmọ jọ o. Any show tí Bukky Jesse bá ti ṣe ń sìn, anybody tó fẹ́ bá yẹ̀ jẹ́, ibi tá ti máa address ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ lélẹ̀. I'm a face out back to back. Bukky Jesse.